Hey everyone, today I want to give you a closer look at this Ergonomic keyboard with your wrist pad. This thing is a game changer in computing. I sit in front of a computer for hours every day and I was looking for something clean, wireless. This is completely Bluetooth wireless, has USB-C ports that charge. The batteries last forever. It also came with the mouse. The mouse has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clicks plus the jog wheel. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clicks plus the jog wheel. Super nice. As you can see right here, laser. And this is also USB-C charging. So really nice ergonomic mice. This is not a cheap setup, folks. This is really sweet. It's really been a game changer for my hands and for any discomfort that I have at the end of the day. This is your natural position that you hold when you type. So it really just feels so natural. Can type really fast, and instead of being crouched like this, it's not natural for you to do that. This is the natural position. Nice soft pad right here, as you can see. Just excellent. So really a game changer, and I love how it's all just one piece ready to go. And it does have extensions if you want to have a slight angle, which I do a lot of times. So just really sweet and completely wireless. So nice clean look too. Like, you know, I'm looking at my computer system. It's a nice clean look, no wires. Absolutely love it. Game changer, folks.